Monkey swinging wild through the trees, dog howling low, lost on its knees. A chaos in the jungle, noise so raw, wild hearts beating, wrecked, no law. A monkey cries out, life ain't fair. Dog snaps back with a fiery glare. Both trapped in this endless game, a clash of beasts never the same. Monkey and dog tearing apart, raw instinct screaming from the heart. Two souls tangled, burning the night, lost forever in their primal fight. Monkey steals what the dog won't find. Dog chasing shadows, lost in time. They don't care what the world might say. Hearts ablaze in the light of the day. Monkey leaps as the branches break. Dog stands firm with the ground that shakes. Both bound tight to their endless feud, madness stitched into their mood.